Hi friends, today I will show you how to take a trades using this volume analysis software. Okay, I will show only 2 or 3 trades on reasonable trades. Okay, I will explain why I will take the trades. Okay, let's see. This is the Euro USD market. This is the uptrend market. Okay, this is the volume analysis software. These are the volume. These volume reflects the buyers and sellers by to each other. Okay. Okay, I will show you how to take trade using this is the POC. I already mark here. This is the POC. I wait for to come down the market, how to react here again. Okay, these are the 3 push here. I mean there is no buyers after 3 push. There is no buyers. Look here, there is there is no sellers here. Means sellers are interested, but the buyers are fight each other. That's why I'll take a trade using trade. This is the volume exhaustion candle. Buyers exhaustion. Okay. See what happens. Sometime you will lose. Don't worry for that. Okay, this is the winning trade. Okay, after 3 candle, there is no some 1 minute. I will buy this pair. Okay. After these buyers, there is no sellers are strong here. Okay, there is no sellers are strong here. Still, that's why I'll take a margin trade because there is a round level also 50. Because this is the uptrend market, maybe some rejection happens here. That's why I'll take a margin trade. If even this candle is seller's candle, I will win. Okay, 6, 5, 3. Okay, this is the winning trade. Okay, after I will sell the pair. Okay, I will sell this pair. What happened? After weakness in the buyer seller side, there is no buyer's entry here. Continuation candle. This is also continuation candle. These volume support to this volume. That's why I'll sell this pair. Also, there is an imbalance in the market. The market will definitely fill this imbalance. This is the imbalance candle. Okay, there is a heavy buyers. See what happens. Okay, this candle rejecting. Buyers rejecting this candle. Okay, this is also winning trade. Some buyers are interested this level. This is the round level. Also, half of the candle is imbalance. That's why I'll take a buy option. Look here. There is no selling volume supporting after this candle finished. Maybe this candle will buyer's candle for 1 minute. See what happens. Because already buyers are interested. Look here, these buyers. So this is the last trade. Okay. There is no opportunity here. I will wait for the opportunity. These are the gap volume here. There is a volume, low volumes are here. This is like a support and resistance. Okay, if the market definitely comes here because this is the imbalance candle. I will wait for the right opportunity. Okay, I will wait for the opportunity again. I will buy this pair. After breakout this round level, there is a huge buyers. This is the fake breakout, I think. Okay, I think there is also I will not see this what happen. I think this may be losing trade. See what happens. Buyers are rejecting this candle. So let's see, this is a losing trade. I will cover this all my losses in this trade because after sellers are entered here, after strong buyers, there is a huge buyers are pending order here. That's all. I'll take a buy. Also there is a POC here. The POC will test definitely after buyers will enter to test this POC. I will cover all my trade in this trade. Okay, don't worry. I will place a sell option here. This is the POC retest here. Okay, there is a POC retest by the sellers. Okay, after huge buyer center for 1 minute sellers will control. That's it. But my entry point is down too late. Okay, what happens? See. Okay, this is winning trade. I will put sell option from this level because sellers are still strong, because POC will retest already from the huge seller side. That's all. Take a sell option. Market is going down to fill this imbalance. Okay, there is always loss sometimes. Don't worry for the losses. Okay, thank you for this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel for latest update and videos. Thank you all subscribers who are subscribed me. This is the last video. Okay, thank you. See you again.